Hi, this is Lisa from Lisa Ann Studios. Today I'll be doing a resin tray tutorial. I'm using a irregular tray from Let's Resin, and I will be linking the colors that I'm using down below. Basically come in here with black and then add some color to it and then move that around with a heat gun and pop some bubbles, and I let it sit for 24 hours and then come back in with a second layer and then add the handles towards the end. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. This is Lisa from Lisa Ann Studios. Please like and please subscribe. Thank you.